Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we will start with top 50 questions every Indians must know. Let's see how many you can answer correctly. Be honest, no googling. Ready? Let's begin. All the best. Question number 1. What is the national flower of India? Answer is lotus. Question number 2. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? Answer is 1947. Question number 3. Who was the first president of India? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 4. How many states are there in India? Answer is 28. Question number 5. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is Ganga. Question number 6. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 7. Which is the largest state of India? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 8. The Constitution of India was adopted on? Answer is 26 November 1949. Question number 9. Which is the smallest state of India? Answer is Goa. Question number 10. What is the capital of India? Answer is New Delhi. Which date is officially designated as India's Independence Day? Answer is 15th August. Question number 12. What is the official currency of India? Answer is rupee. Question number 13. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 14. Which Indian city is called as the Pink City? Answer is Jaipur. Question number 15. Which is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. Question number 16. Which date is officially designated as India's Republic Day? Answer is 26 January. Which is the national animal of India? Answer is tiger. How many union territories are there in India? Answer is 8. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer is Bharat Ratna. Question number 20. Who was the first women president of India? Answer is Pratibha Patil. Which is India's national tree? Answer is banyan. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer is Gujarat. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer is Bengaluru. Which mountain range is known as the Sahyadri of India? Answer is Western Ghats. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer is Kerala. Which state is the largest producer of tea in India? Answer is Assam. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Answer is 8. The Supreme Court of India was inaugurated in which year? Answer is 1950. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra on the Indian flags? Answer is 24. Who is regarded as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? Answer is Governor. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state? Answer is Sucheta Kripalani. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, was established in which year? Answer is 1935. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, launched its first satellite in which year? Answer is 1975. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer is Karnam Malleshwari. The currency of India, the Indian rupee, is represented by which symbol? Answer is option A. India is the world's largest producer of which commodity? Answer is sugarcane. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Answer is Shah Jahan. The famous 1526 Battle of Panipat was fought between? Answer is Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Who founded the Mughal Empire in India? Answer is Babur. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Answer is Diwali. Which Indian port city is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Answer is Mumbai. Who is regarded as the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Indian state is known for the classical dance Kathakali? Answer is Kerala. Which is the southernmost tip of India? Answer is Kanyakumari. Which Indian movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Answer is Quit India Movement. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are in which Indian state? Answer is Maharashtra. Question. The Indian national emblem, 3 lions, is derived from which historic pillar? Answer in the comment section. Let's test your knowledge. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.